Around View Monitor System. A functions. Which install in the car through the front grille, left view mirror, right view mirror, tailgate. 4 wide-angle cameras record the images of around. Display the 4 cameras' images into one screen. Use the image synthesis technology to form the 4 cameras' images as one image, which is displayed in the central screen. The 170-degree wide angle with a long distance of 35 meters high-definition night vision camera's function. High-definition night vision camera supporting much more efficient assistant to clear all blind zones while backing and parking at night. Turn on steering lamp automatic switch to related screen, touch screen function. While in normal driving, turn on the left steering light signal. The main screen automatically into the left camera signal screen. Turn on the right turn signal. The main screen automatically switches to the right camera signal screen. While the car into reverse gear, the main screen automatically enter into the rear camera signal screen. In any state, backing up priority. While in forward driving, the main screen automatically switch back to the front camera signal screen. Take high-definition pictures in the accident side. Four cameras display the real-time dynamic images, providing perfect driving safety visual angle for the new drivers. Evidences of protecting from scrapes and collisions while driving. Automatically record the car's running state in the traffic accident. It can fast playback high-definition videos to get evidences on the side, effectively put an end to touch the car fraud.